Good morning, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I'm just going to do a quick flip through of Kim Widdis's Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal. I received it around the middle of January, and I did a flip through of what she had done in it, and I showed myself adding this doodle in that video, maybe a couple of other things, but I wanted to show you the work that I did in it. I added this sticker in for the sticker page, and I put my song that's been on my mind is the Skyboat song from Outlander, and I did a little pencil sketch or black marker sketch of the cover. Not very good, but I did it. I added a little piece of washi with the little X's around, little X stitches around it to the quilt. And I decorated this page a little bit more with the word dreams and some music and some sky. And I added my dream into the book. So Kim did her dream vacation, and I did also my dream vacation. To visit Ireland, to see Brian's family, and Scotland to see places in Outlander. And then I made this second booklet so that there's enough room for everybody to write their dreams or whatever. And I used this paper that's really pretty, blue and purple and white, pink, sort of a cloudy background. And I used a little dragonfly brad to hold it together, so it's like a flip this way. And I held those on with bobby pins, glitter painted bobby pins. And I didn't paint these, but I think I will do some if I can't find some, just with glittery nail polish is how I would plan to do that. And then I did this 2 pages. This one is, I can't remember what. Oh, this was a journaling card that I made, and it actually does have blue paper on the back of it, but I ended up gluing it down as a pocket in the side and did some collaging on it. Some jute, a bee, a little rose, and a garden quote, and then just tucked a little polka dot tag and a little pink Rolodex card in there, just because the colors went well. So anybody that wants to can add to these, collage on them, add some snippets on them or whatever they want to do. And then over here I did a similar thing, pocket from the top, and I had this greeting card that I made into a little folio with a couple of pockets inside with little cards in it, and just a collage over on this side, little tab here, and that goes down in the pocket. I just liked the colors with the rest of the colors here. And then this is a page out of my glue book, and I used it to make this pocket and added some other little things on it. I signed my work, Thistledew Creations, and my signature with the date. And then one more page. It was a really snowy day and I wanted to do something springy. So I had these daffodils and these yellow and green papers. So I did a little collage cluster on top of this. I used Kim's own pages to make this pocket. So I took out 8 pages removed to make this pocket. So basically what I did was I leave one page and then tear a bunch of pages out and then make the 2 pages that are left into some sort of a pocket. That way when your book gets full, you don't have such a gator mouth. This one's already a gator mouth. There's not much we can do about that. But that's how I made this pocket without adding more bulk, even more bulk than I took out 8 pages, and I only, well, because of those little notebooks, we do have quite a thick thing going on there. But I made a note of that, that I removed 8 pages to make this pocket. And then I put this really bright green lace along the band of the pocket. And then this is the rest of my journaling, my glue book page. So I just cut it out with my ripple scissors and inked the edges. And I wrote a little thing, January 22nd, 2026, I daydream about the first flowers of spring as the wind howls outside my window. I'm taking inspiration from Edith Holden. And I put on the back, what do you daydream about? So hopefully some other sisters will write on the back of that card and continue on. So she's got dreams. That's where I got the idea for the daydreams, but I literally was daydreaming about spring that day. So that's why I did that. So I'm getting ready now to mail this off to Trace Jaworski Smithers. It needs to be mailed by the 15th of February. It's January 29th now. So I'm going to get it packaged up today and get it to the post office next week. And then I'll use this video and a picture of the journal packaged up to send my reminder on the 10th of February. So I kind of have to be a little bit ahead of the game. And I just did sort of roll call in the Facebook or the messenger groups for the swap, the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal swap, that is. And it looks like just about everybody has sent and received their first book. Some people are on their second one already. And there's just a couple people that had little glitches, like where one lady sent it and there wasn't enough postage, so she has to resend. And another lady had it sent, but the tracking isn't showing it moving, so she's going to resend. And also she was in the hospital. We kind of thought she had decided not to participate because no one could get a hold of her. She wasn't answering. And finally got a hold of her yesterday, and she just got out of the hospital. So Danielle, if you're watching, we all hope you're better soon and have your medications and everything all straightened around and are feeling better and up to journaling with us. And if at any time during the year, if any of you have any issues, please reach out to me and to your partner by messenger to let us know, so that we're not panicking thinking our junk journals are lost in space. Because it's we're all investing a lot of time in it, and so I think I said that right at the beginning. Just do it. Just that's all we ask. Just participate and carry through and follow through. So that's why I'm showing what I've done, and that I'm getting ready to send it so everyone will know. And I encourage you all to do this. I know you're not all going to make videos, but you could show pictures of what you've done. Some people want to save it for a surprise, but honestly, even though you've seen the video now of what I did, Kim's still going to be surprised when she gets it back, because she's not going to have seen this. I haven't shown her this, and she just lives 15 minutes from me, but she hasn't seen what I've done in person. And so I'm hoping that she won't until she gets it back in December. So that's all I've got to say about that today. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are interested in this type of swap, we're going to be doing more things like this throughout the year. So do come and join us on Thistledew Creations group on Facebook. If you make it to the Thistledew Creations page, there aren't any swaps in there. All I do there is post my videos just sort of as another way for me to have a backup of them. So I've posted yesterday in that group that if you're here for the swaps and the fun stuff, come on over to the Facebook group. And so I started the page first. I didn't really think I could handle doing a group, and honestly it is a lot of work. So I do encourage anyone who has joined my group to participate. We do have fun. It is a lot of work, but I do like it. So anyway, one more time, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.